Molding a man takes dedication. Molding a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Molding a man adds some civility. Molding a man builds your integrity. Molding a man brings dependability to family and his.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you like the videos, just subscribe to the channel and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. And thank you. Hello everyone, this is Richard Joseph Bias. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about the clothing line for Molding a Man and the pop-up shop that I recently held. The Molding a Man clothing line has 3 brands: MMA for Molding a Man, FFL for Father for Life, DFE for Dad Forever. And they all have a specific reason for each of the lines. The Molding a Man line is for any man that's taking on the responsibility of raising young men into great men that are around them. The FFL, Father for Life clothing line are for those fathers that take on that responsibility to raise and mentor the young men that live within their vicinity around them. The DFE, Dad Forever line is one for those dads that are always there and mentoring all the children in their environment and, you know, within their life, their family, and some of the young men that come in contact with them. So those are the 3 specific brands for, you know, a male figure that's in your life. So these are 5-piece outfits that you can buy for them to show them your appreciation of what they've done for you in your life. That male figure, you know, whether he's just a mentor of yours that is in your life and has helped you with all your struggles and becoming a great man, then that man is worthy of the Molding a Man brand. And if it's for a father, then that father in your life, then he, you know, deserves a Father for Life brand. And if it's that dad that's always there to give you a hand when you have, you know, difficulties, then he deserves the Dad Forever brand. And what you'll see in this video is the pop-up shop that I had recently had at the McGuire Dix Exchange in New Jersey. So this is what it looks like. Thank you. Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. Here we have the first setup of the Molding a Man products at the Base Exchange at Fort Dix McGuire Air Force Base. As you can see, trying to get it out there, let everybody see it, know what it's about. It's all about molding a man, molding your son into a great man. Something that I think all fathers need to do, all fathers should do. So that's what we got.
This holiday season, give the gift that truly keeps on giving: knowledge. For any parent on your Christmas list that's raising a son, you need to buy them this book, Molding a Man. It gives you step-by-step and year-by-year advice on how to mold a man. What better way to show your love than by giving a gift that truly makes an impact? Visit moldingaman.com. Happy holidays.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias. I'm the author of the book, Molding a Man. I'm interrupting this video to bring you some updated information. I'm proud of the book and what it has to say, so I'm going to be talking to some incredible people. They're educators, professionals, and parents who will bring a unique perspective on each topic within the book. So you won't want to miss these upcoming videos. But in order to bring you that content, so tell a friend who's a parent that'll benefit from this invaluable information. Now back to the video. This is week 2 of the pop-up shop at the McGuire-Dix Air Force Base. Hello there. Air Force Base Exchange. Set up for Molding a Man products. Week 2. Let's see if we can get it done. How well we'll be able to get it going. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
Molding a man is nothing to play with. Molding a man takes dedication. Molding a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Molding a man adds some civility. Molding a man builds your integrity. Molding a man brings the